What's going on, guys? Custom Mods here, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you all about how to install these prop guards. Now these are the DJI specific prop guards that came in my Costco Flymore bundle, and these are really nice because they are connected on the sides, meaning that it's harder to hit objects from the side and have that bring down your drone. So it's pretty simple to install. First things first, we're going to unfold the prop guards and lay them out. And the next thing we're going to do is unfold our Mavic. So, just pretty simple to do that quickly. Alright, and so with your Mavic facing towards you, you're going to try to line up the prop guards by noticing that there's an angle on one of them, and then the other one is just flat, that's on the top. And so you'll see that they're reversed. So the angle goes at the front, and so I found my correct orientation for this. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to unlatch each one of the four little clips and open it up. So I'm just going to get all four of those, and then I'm going to bring my Mavic, and I'm just going to first set the landing gear in the front and the back into the prop guard, and then I'm going to pull it all the way up and reinstall the clip. So push it down and then finally get it down. So I'm going to do that for all four corners. Alright, so now that I've got my prop guards installed, the last step is to make sure that everything is secure. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to kind of give the Mavic a little bit of shake, kind of feel how the prop guards are attached, and these are attached really, really firmly. So that's good. And then the last thing you do, which shouldn't really be an issue with the prop guards, but it's always a good idea to check, is to make sure that your props do not hit the prop guards in any way. So, you can just go around each of the props and find the widest point and make sure that they do not even get close to touching, because again, they might flex in flight. So if there's a problem with that, you may have installed it incorrectly and you want to go back and check that, or you just might have broken your prop guards or something like that. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll definitely catch you in the next video.